Today for the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin is right now coiling up and maturing in this ascending triangle. The breakout is imminent right now. In this video, I will be telling you exactly the day when I am expecting the breakout, and even more importantly, the direction of the breakout, including my specific breakout target for Bitcoin here in the immediate short term. Similar game for Ethereum, and this is extremely important. I think Ethereum will lead the way for the Bitcoin breakout direction. Look at this, Ethereum is coiling up here right now in the exact same pattern, an ascending triangle pattern here, and the breakout for this one is even more imminent. Within 24 hours we will see the breakout here, and I wanna be talking about the direction of the breakout and also my price target for this breakout for Ethereum in the immediate short term. I will be talking about my altcoin strategy, my altcoin picks, my altcoin trades, and of course also about my two trades here on Phemex and what I am planning for these two trades in the immediate future. Guys, today's video is certainly a very important one. Please sit down, scroll down, watch this video all the way through, and remember, if you are scrolling down and smashing up the like button, and if we are hitting 4 or even 5,000 likes on that video, guys, I can tell you I will be calling DaVinci J15 and we will be making a video within the next 12 to 24 hours only for you. So scroll down, smash up the like button right now for that video, every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for that, and also press here this subscription button, press the bell and press on all, just in order not to miss out on the DaVinci J15 emergency video we are going to be releasing within the next 12 to 24 hours. And with that being said, welcome to the friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always we are starting here on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price, and as you can see, Bitcoin continues to mature here in this ascending triangle. And the question right now is, of course, is the breakout going to come? When is it going to come? And what is my specific breakout target for this breakout? Well, you remember how we yesterday talked about that in case Bitcoin will be not able to break this significant important level of 12,100 I was mentioning throughout the last videos every single time, then I can see Bitcoin being rejected and going all the way down here, bouncing from this trend line and going back up. You know what guys, let me play you this little clip here from yesterday's video. Well, I think Bitcoin could be here, I talked about it yesterday as well, in something like an ascending triangle. In case we are getting a rejection here, I could imagine Bitcoin going all the way down to 11,600 US dollars before bouncing and then breaking out eventually out of this ascending triangle. And as you can see, we were exactly rejected here. Bitcoin went down and got the bounce also exactly at this trend line here, like we talked about that yesterday. And the question is right now, of course, will Bitcoin go back here for another retest? Will we finally break out? What is exactly the most likely scenario right now in that moment? Well, let me zoom out a little bit. And these ascending triangles, by nature, they tend to break out more towards the upside because we have a horizontal resistance. We are back testing it, and the more we are testing it, the more likely it is to break. So statistically, they already break out more towards the upside than towards the downside. The likelihood is much higher, since this upward sloping support also provides some bullish pressure here against the horizontal resistance. But besides that, we are also going bullishly into it, which increases the chance. And also besides that, we have a macro bullish structure here, and additionally to that, we have economically, fundamentally, more and more things pressing the Bitcoin price more towards the upside. So if you ask me, I would give it at least a 70% chance to break towards the upside. Well, some people might say, well, upside, downside, you are covering all the possibilities. This is how it is in trading. It is always about probabilities, and this is why we are at MMCrypto as a family with you guys together so successful, because we are trading the probabilities and we are not trading based on gut feelings or so. Well, but in case Bitcoin were to break out, which is by far the most likely scenario here, you could take either this measured move price target or this one here. I would rather take this one, but guys, you you can take whichever one you think is the most accurate one. But in case Bitcoin does that, in case we are breaking out, look at the price level here. The breakout target would be $13,600. And are there some bells ringing for you? By the way, guys, so look at this pattern here. You saw it 2 days ago. It exactly looks like the one from 2015. You can see it right here. And yeah, this is the consolidation pattern, which would be actually in perfect confluence with 2016. And 2016, it also broke out towards the upside. But besides all of these points here, let's go from the fractals and let's go into the technicals. And this specific breakout target of 13,600, there should be some bells ringing for you guys, because zooming in here, you can see that this breakout target, it looks tiny here, but 13,600 would be in perfect alignment with the high we had here in 2019. You remember it in June, where we had this close to $14,000 blow off top. But also, more importantly, remember we had the weekly close here. It was, by the way, the highest weekly close since 2.5 years, which is extremely important. The last time we had a weekly close which was higher was here. But let me go to the monthly candles, guys. You know at MMCrypto, it is about long term. And in case, I mean, guys, you cannot make it up. We are breaking out of this ascending triangle. We are knocking out the price level of $13,600. In this specific case, look all the way back here. We are on the monthly candles. We would be getting a monthly close exactly at the highest monthly close in the history of Bitcoin in December 2017. Imagine what would make that to the charts. Imagine what kind of fundamental structure that would print into the charts here. Us getting a monthly close close to, or even maybe even above these monthly closes we had in December 2017. We will have no doubters left. There will be no one can come out and can say Bitcoin is in a bear market when we had the highest monthly close here actually in the history of Bitcoin. So I don't have to mention how important this weekly close was, how important this monthly close will be, and how important it will be for Bitcoin here to eventually finally break out of the ascending triangle and hitting our measured move price target of $13,600. Well, in case we were to break down, guys, of course, let's cover that. I think it is not the most likely scenario, but I want to cover that before we are going into Ethereum, mind-blowing news here, and also into some altcoins. I wanted to show you where I personally would see the biggest support level for Bitcoin, which I actually think is at least unlikely to be broken, and that would be along these lines here. Of course, shouldn't come with the biggest surprise for most of you guys, and it would be approximately here at these $10,300 to $10,500 levels. In case we were to break down, it would be actually also in perfect alignment with the measured move price target towards the downside. So let's wait here for Bitcoin to break out above the $12,100. And of course, guys, let me also give you the time frame. We have to actually eventually break out here within August the 18th, which is in the next 7 days. So a breakout within this week is actually imminent. And just to show you one more thing here, look at this. It's like in the textbook, declining volume with Bitcoin here consolidating towards the horizontal support. It cannot get more beautiful than that. So let's wait for Bitcoin and let's see what is going to happen here. Also, guys, quick update here about my trade on Phemex. Before we are going into Ethereum, before we are going here into the altcoin section, you can see here my trade here still at $55,000 in profit on my first trade, $9,400 entry when we broke this 4 years converging trend lines. I was waiting for that, and we as an MMCrypto community traded it together. It was amazing. Here's the second trade, approximately at $12,000. But look at the funding rates. I mean, they are at an all-time high. It is expensive to go long right now. It is profitable, but it is expensive to go long. So please, guys, take that into consideration. You need a strong entry point to make up for these astronomically high funding rates. Really, I want to put out the warning. It's not that I want everyone to trade. Maybe right now it is not the time to put in a long position. You can maybe trade the breakout or so. Let me know what you think about that. However, if you want to trade, I have the biggest bonus for you on YouTube. Before we are going into Ethereum and the other crazy news, if you scroll down to the pinned comment, you get here $502 completely for free on Bybit, Phemex, and Dudex. And by clicking these links, I'm signed up on all these platforms. I'm putting in my email address and my password. I'm getting this free account, and after the initial deposit, you get on all these platforms added together $500 $502 for free if you take these bonuses together at, let's make it a joke, like at the 50x leverage. If you only take the bonus, not your own money, at the 50x leverage, it would be a $25,000 trade completely for free. If you lose it, it was for free. If you make money on it, of course, it's amazing. And you can withdraw the profits completely for free from the platform. Next up, Ethereum. And this is certainly something extremely interesting. And I'm not twisting it here. It is extremely interesting because what the $12,100 is for Bitcoin right now is the $401 for Ethereum. And what we can see for Ethereum, we can see a bullish consolidation in an ascending triangle towards the horizontal support once again. We see the same thing actually happening for Ethereum. Here the breakout is imminent within 2 days. And I mean, guys, do I have to tell you how important that is for Bitcoin? Because you remember we talked about that many times. Ethereum usually leads the way for Bitcoin. And I actually think if Ethereum breaks out, the 70% likelihood for the Bitcoin breakout towards the upside twists this in a 80-90%, because in case Ethereum breaks out towards the upside, usually the breakout directions for Ethereum lead the way for the breakout directions for Bitcoin. So in case Ethereum breaks out, we don't only have the $450 price target as a measured move price target out of this ascending triangle breakout. No, the likelihood furthermore increases for Bitcoin break towards the upside. On the flip side though, in case Ethereum were to break out towards the downside, we would have a breakdown target of $345. But the worst thing, the worst message I have to tell you is in case Ethereum breaks down, I think the likelihood for Bitcoin furthermore increases from 30% to 50% to break down out of this ascending triangle as well. However, I am here leaning towards the Ethereum breakout towards the upside, and this breakout is actually really imminent, because here we are talking about within 24 hours about this breakout towards the $450 price level. This is a very important resistance we have to overcome. A daily close above 400, 405, let's say above 414 actually would completely put the nail in the coffin for the bears here, would increase the chances of us finally reaching the $450 for Ethereum. And next up, guys, good news for everyone who is following us on Twitter, because you remember we made this breakout call here in this tweet. You can see it right there, approximately here at the breakout. Our measured move price target was all the way up here at 40% profit approximately. Let me make this measurement here. The profit 35%. Everyone who took the trade with us, look at this perfectly here, the 4-hourly close rejection at our price target, and we went down afterwards. Let me know if you took the trade, and please guys, I want to cover more altcoins in the future for you. Follow us on at MMCrypto on Twitter, where we are pushing some of our altcoin trades in absolute real time. And the most important thing, if you are following us here on YouTube, scroll down, and really everyone, if you have any altcoins which are interesting right now, which have an interesting pattern coming up, where a W breakout is imminent, where an ascending triangle breakout is imminent, or whatever, where nice news are coming up, nice announcement, scroll down to the comment section and leave your favorite altcoin right now in the comment section. If you spot your altcoin in another comment, upvote this comment so I can see the highest suggestions and I can take them into consideration for future TA videos on our channel. If you appreciate that, guys, scroll down, smash up the like button, and I will do more of these altcoin calls in the future. You can see they are actually extremely nice, very profitable here on average. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Crazy times are coming. Let's wait for this breakout. Let's hope for this breakout to finally go here and also break out towards the upside here, exactly to our price target here I mentioned earlier. Let's hope for all of that. Let's take an eye on Ethereum here as probably a leading indicator for the breakout direction for Bitcoin. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about that. And remember, guys, if we are hitting 4,000 or 5,000 likes on that video, like in all the other videos, I can promise you we will be doing a video with DaVinci J15 within 24 hours. So make noise on that video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, click the subscription box right here and also click the Bible tutorial which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.